Good morning children. Today we will take with example number 4 of chapter 13 surface area and volume. Okay. Previously we had done example up to 33rd. So today we will take example 4 and then continue with the exercise. Okay. So here you see Mayank has made a bird bath for his garden in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression at one end. The height of the cylinder is given as 1.45 meter and its radius is 30 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the bird bath. Pi has to be taken as 22 by 7. Now you see here, this is the cylindrical part of the bird bath and there is a hemispherical depression at one end of the cylinder. Now height of the cylinder is given as 1.45 meter and radius of the cylinder and the hemisphere both are same only because the depression is made from inside that cylinder only and the depression is hemispherical in shape and it is having 30 centimeter radius it is having. Okay. So it is given as 30 centimeter radius. So that means ये पूरा डिस्टेंस नहीं होगा, it is 30 centimeter radius, that means up to this part. Okay, this is the radius, okay, and r it is equal to 30 centimeter given this way. ठीक है. So radius of hemisphere will also be 30 centimeter, radius of the cylinder will also be 30 centimeter. Height of the cylinder it is 1.45 meter which I take it as 145 centimeter. ठीक है. Now they have asked to find what is the total surface area of the bird bath. Okay, that is TSA पूछा है, TSA of bird bath. When TSA of bird bath is asked, it comprises of two things. What is it? The curved surface area of cylinder, है ना, curved surface area of cylinder, and also plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere. So we are supposed to find combining these two formulas. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now when you take 2 pi r common, you will get h plus r. Okay, so TSA of bird bath will be having this formula, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is the radius of the cylinder. Radius of cylinder 30 centimeter into 145 plus 30, isn't it? So you have the formula, you have it this way. Okay. So just solve it and see what value you will obtain. 2 into 22 into 30 into this will be 5, 7, 175 upon 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7 2s are 14 होता है, 3 will be remaining, 7 5s are 35. Okay, so 44 into 750. Your answer should come as 33000 centimeter square. 33000 centimeter square. So this is how we have combined both the figure and obtained the value for total surface area. Okay. So please copy down everyone. Now let us start with exercise 13.1. The first question says that two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So that is asked. Now they have said that there is a cube. Let me draw a cube first. Okay. Okay, this is a cube. Now they have said that two cubes, they have been joined together. Okay, so let me draw the other cube also. Okay, can you see the two cubes joined together? Okay, so ye first cube, this is the, I will write here, this is the first cube and this is the second cube. ठीक है, this cube is joined with the second cube and each cube has volume of each cube, volume of each cube, it is equal to 64 centimeter cube. ठीक है, volume of each cube is 64 centimeter cube. Okay, so therefore V is equal to, what was the formula for volume? It was L cube, which was equal to 64. Therefore our L will be cube root of 64, which is equal to cube root of 64 means 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 64. So this cube and this cube root cancels out and we got our L as 4 centimeter. So we have got our L. ठीक है, now L you have got, that means यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक it is a cube, so all the sides will be equal to 4 only, it will be equal to 4 centimeter. ठीक है, अब ये क्यूब का भी वॉल्यूम उतना ही है, मतलब इतना भी 4 सेंटीमीटर होगा, दिस विल ऑल्सो बी 4 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, what is this length? This is also 4 centimeter. Okay, also this breadth which is here, that is also 4 centimeter. So you have got now a cuboidal figure. Two cubes को मिलने पर you will get a cuboidal figure. So this cuboidal figure has the height 4 centimeter, the length 4 plus 4, it becomes 8 centimeter, isn't it? And the breadth will become 4 centimeter. Here also the breadth won't change, here the breadth won't change. Only there will be a change in the length of the, because from cube, two cubes joined to give you a cuboid. Height and breadth they won't change. ठीक है, so then they have asked you to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now surface area of the resulting cuboid will be what? Total surface area of cuboid. What was the formula? Total surface area of cuboid was 2 times L into B plus B into H plus H into L. This was the formula. So we will substitute the values. So TSA you will get 2 into L, which was 8 into breadth 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8, isn't it? This way. So that becomes 232 plus 16 plus 32. So if you carry out the calculation further, I get TSA is equal to 32 plus 32 is 64, 64 plus 16. So 2 into 64 plus 16, that is 10, 7, 160 centimeter square. It should come out to be 160 centimeter square. Clear everyone? So this is how you should solve the first question. Okay. Now let us take the second question. Second question, the question says, a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere which is mounted by a hollow cylinder. There is a hollow hemisphere. ठीक है, ये एक hollow hemisphere है, उसका ऊपर का portion नहीं है, hollow है, and a cylinder is mounted on it. A cylinder is mounted on it, which is also hollow. Okay, so a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere which is mounted on by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere, so this is how it is a hollow one. Okay, the diameter of the hemisphere is given as 14 centimeter, isn't it? Yes, and the total height of the vessel is given as 13 centimeter. द टोटल हाइट मतलब यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, द टोटल हाइट, and find the inner surface area of the vessel. You have to find the inner surface area of the vessel. So these are the informations which we have with us. Now diameter of hemisphere, diameter of hemisphere, diameter of hemisphere, it is given as 14 centimeter. Therefore radius of hemisphere will be equal to what? 14 divided by 2 which is equal to 7 centimeter. ठीक है, तो हमें रेडियस 14 सेंटीमीटर मिला ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर. रेडियस मतलब ये भी रेडियस ही हुआ ना, बिकॉज दैट विल ऑल्सो बिकम द हाइट ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर. सो हाइट ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज एक्चुअली द रेडियस ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर ओनली. सो दिस रेडियस ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर विल बी 7 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, height also becomes height of hemisphere, that will also be 7 centimeter. That means इतना portion ये क्या हो जाता है 7 centimeter हो जाता है. Now when this is 7 centimeter, what will be the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder will be 13 minus 7 which is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so what can I write? Therefore height of cylinder will be equal to total height of vessel minus height of cylinder, sorry hemisphere, height of hemisphere. ठीक है, total height of vessel is 13 which is minus 7 which is equal to 6 centimeter. So height of the cylinder you get it as 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the height of the cylinder. Now have we got all the properties, all the required things? Yes, we have got. You are asked to find the inner surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so inner surface area of the vessel, okay, we won't say it as cylinder, we will say it as the vessel, will be equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, CSA of hemisphere. Now what is CSA of cylinder? CSA of cylinder will be 2 pi r h, okay, plus 2 pi r square which is the curved surface area of the hemisphere. ठीक है, r and 2 pi is common, so I will write it here. Okay, so inner surface area of vessel will be equal to 2 pi r common h plus r. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is the radius of the hemisphere and also the radius of the cylinder. Cylinder will also be that only. Okay, so radius of cylinder you can write here, radius of cylinder also. Okay, radius cylinder will also be 7 centimeter because ये दोनों जुड़े हुए हैं ना, तो अगर हेमिस्फीयर का रेडियस 7 आता है तो सिलेंडर का रेडियस भी 7 ही आएगा. So okay, so it will be 7 into h. H I get it as 6 and radius is 7. Okay, so therefore it will be 7 7 cancel, 44 into 13. Okay, so 44 into 13 will be 1 4 sa 1 4 sa 3 4 sa 12, 3 4 sa 12, 13, 2 7 5, 572. Okay, so you will get it as 572 centimeter square as the inner surface area of vessel. inner surface area of vessel. Okay, so I hope you follow that. You should get it as 1572 centimeter square. Clear everyone? Okay, copy down. See, question number 3, no, that is a toy one. That is already same as that of the example which we have done in the previous part. So, you can do that yourself. We will go to question number 4. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have, and find the area of the solid. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है क्वेश्चन, देयर इज अ क्यूब वुडन ब्लॉक बोला है ऑफ क्यूबिकल शेप, isn't it? The toy is in the form of a the cubical block of side 7 centimeter. So, there is a cubical block. This is the cubical block of side 7 centimeter. Okay, the side here, that is this part, it is 7 centimeter. Each side it will be 7 centimeter. It is a cube, so that means all of them will be 7 only. Okay, height, length and breadth also. Okay, that is this part. This will also be 7 centimeter. Okay. Now, a hemisphere is surmounted on it. Okay, and what is the greatest diameter? What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? Now, if a hemisphere has to be surmounted on it, that means the greatest diameter can be this only, no? देखो ऐसे surmount होता है. Okay, a hemisphere is surmounted on the cube, that means the structure should this way, and the greatest diameter which the hemisphere can have, it is actually the diameter, the side of the length of the cube only. Okay, so maximum, अब वो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, maximum diameter that the hemisphere can have is equal to 7 centimeter. Diameter should be 7 centimeter. Beyond that, it will go out of the cube. उससे छोटा हो सकता है. It can be 6 centimeter, it can be 5, it can be 4, 3, that way. Okay, so this is how it is surmounted. Now, you are asked to find out what is the resultant surface area of this figure. Okay, now if this is 7 centimeter, isn't it? That is one of the sides of the cube only. So, what will be radius of this hemisphere? That will be 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so I have radius of hemisphere. It is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Then sides हमारे पास है. Now, you are asked to find the total surface area of this wooden figure. Total surface area of the solid it is asked. So, what is total surface area of solid? Total surface area of solid will be equal to cube का पूरा total surface area. Cube का total surface area will be 6L square. There are 6 faces. Okay, and 6 face में there will be, इसको है ना हम ऐसे ले लेते so that you can understand कि ये जो है this is a circular way. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सीधा है. It is a circular base is there on the top of it. So 6L square is the total surface area of the solid. Or first let me write the formula. Total surface area of cube, ठीक है, plus अब total surface area of the hemisphere भी होगा, that is TS, total नहीं sorry CSA, curved surface area. It is only curved surface area. Base हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं. Total surface area of cube plus कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, ओके, हेमिस्फीयर माइनस, अब ये इतना बेस तो तुम्हें कट करना ही पड़ेगा ना, एरिया ऑफ द बेस ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट टू बी टेकन, सो माइनस बेस एरिया, ये क्यूब में से उतना तो कट करना होगा ना, सो बेस एरिया, क्योंकि पूरा क्यूब का टोटल सरफेस, ये फेस का इतना पोर्शन जो है ना, वो जहाँ पे वो सरमाउंटेड है, वो तो हमें नहीं लेना ना, दैट इज नॉट टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन दिस टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब, ओके, सो बेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर, okay, so totally it will come out as TSA, that is 6L square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, ऐसा होगा ना. So if I calculate it, total surface area of solid, total surface area of solid will be equal to 6 into 7 square, which is equal to 49, 7 into 7, then 2 pi r square minus pi r square will be 2 pi r square minus pi r square, it is pi r square, pi we will take it as 22 by 7 into r square, r radius it is 3.5, okay, so 3.5 into 3.5, so that will be 6 nines are 54, 5, 6 4s are 24, 29. 29 minus 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. Okay, 7 ones are 7 5s are 5 ones are 5 2s are 2 ones are 2 11s are, and that will become 11 into 3.5. Okay, so 3.5 into 11, it is 1 5s are 1 3s are 1 5s are 1 3s are 5 8 3, 38.5, which is equal to 38.5, sorry, 38.5, yeah, which is equal to 38.5, 294 minus 38.5. So your final answer should come out as, it should come out as 332.5. So can you observe here, we have got it as 6 into 49 will give you 294 and pi r square value. By mistake I had written here as minus, so please put it plus, okay. So 294 plus you will get as 38.5, so you can just observe it comes out to be 332.5 centimeter square. By mistake I had written as minus, so please make it plus, ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 pi r square minus pi r square will be plus pi r square, no, so it is plus pi r square. So you get your answer as 32.5, ठीक है. Now we come to the next question. Question number 5, what does it say? A hemispherical depression is cut out from one of the face of a cubical wooden block such that L diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of remaining solid. Now here again, यहाँ पे क्या था? Hemisphere was outside. Now they are saying that hemisphere is inside. Okay, so it is same thing only. देखो ये तुम्हारा cube है. This is your cube. It is said that the radius of the hemisphere is the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. मतलब यहाँ से they have cut out a hemisphere this way. ठीक है. So अगर हम उसको properly देखें तो इस तरह होगा. So ये पार्ट है ना, हम उसको ओमिट कर देते हैं, मतलब just to make your diagram proper. ठीक है. So you have your diagram this way. इस तरह से they have cut a depression inside. ठीक है। तो अब यहाँ पे what will be the total surface area of this solid, that is what is asked. Also it is given that ये जो है that is the diameter of the hemisphere, it is equal to L and each side will also represent L only. Are you understanding? It's the same thing only. वहाँ पे क्या था? It was outside. Now it is inside. So what will be the diameter of hemisphere? Diameter of hemisphere, it is equal to L दिया हुआ है. Therefore radius of hemisphere will be equal to L by 2. ठीक है, L by 2 centimeter. This is L centimeter. Now they have asked what is the total surface area of this figure, of this solid. So total surface area of solid will be equal to total surface area of क्यूब का तो चाहिए हमें पूरा, लेकिन उसके अंदर ये जो उसका जो ऊपर का जो भाग है वो नहीं है. सो वो बेस ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर दैट हैज़ टू बी सबट्रैक्टेड and we have to add the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, so plus CSA of hemisphere minus base area, या base area ही लिख लेते हैं, base area of hemisphere or write it fully hemisphere, बेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर. मतलब हमें यही सेम फॉर्मूला इधर भी अप्लाई होता है. उधर बाहर की तरफ था हेमिस्फीयर, इधर अंदर की तरफ है. ओके, सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब विल बी 6L square प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज 2πr square प्लस not plus minus πr square base area of hemisphere. Okay, so this becomes 6L square plus πr square, क्योंकि 2πr square minus πr square will be πr square. Okay, so 6L square plus pi. Now r is what? It is L by 2, so I will write it as L by 2 the whole square. So you can see here it is 6L square plus pi. R is L by 2, so we have written that. Okay, L by 2 the whole square, that becomes 6L square plus pi L square by 4. ऐसा मिल जाता है. ठीक है, अब L square है इधर 4 है, so if I take the LCM it becomes 24L square plus pi L square by 4. L square by 4 if I take, I will get it as 24 plus pi. 24 plus pi. So you get your total surface area as L square by 4, which is into, copy down. Now look at question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay. Question 6. You know how a capsule looks, है ना? ऐसे ही लगता है ना capsule. So this is actually a cylinder which is surmounted or which is having a hemispherical end, isn't it? The length of the entire capsule is given as 14 millimeter. So that means this is 14 millimeter. The entire capsule has the length of 14 millimeter. ठीक है, and the length of the and the diameter of the capsule is given as 5 millimeter. The diameter of the capsule, that means इधर से लेके यहाँ तक का जो वैल्यू है, this is given as 5 millimeter. You are asked to find the total surface area of this capsule. Now total surface area of capsule, it is given as surface area, that is meant to be total surface area. दो हेमिस्फीयर्स है, उनका कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया हमें लेना है. ओके, सो 2 into 2 pi r square, or we can write the formula first. 2 into कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, क्योंकि दो हेमिस्फीयर है. ओके, हेमिस्फीयर प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ cylinder, isn't it? So अगर ये पूरा लेंथ जो है 14 मीटर का है, देन व्हाट इज द diameter is given to you. Diameter is 5 millimeter. That means your radius will be equal to what? Radius of this hemisphere will be 2.5 millimeter. ठीक है, so radius of hemisphere is equals to 2.5 millimeter. Okay. अब रेडियस 2.5 है, मतलब ये जो हाइट है दैट इज 2.5. ओके, एंड यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये जो हाइट है ये भी हेमिस्फीयर है ना, दिस इज हेमिस्फीयर नो, तो ये जो हाइट है दैट इज ऑल्सो 2.5 मिलीमीटर. देन व्हाट विल बी द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर? इट विल बी 14 माइनस 5 बिकॉज 2 बार 2.5 है, एंड 14 माइनस 5 विल बी इक्वल टू 9 मिलीमीटर. ओके, सो रेडियस ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज 2.5. Even the radius of the cylinder, that will also be 2.5 millimeter, and height of cylinder will be 9, which is written as 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9 millimeter. सारी चीज़ें हमें मिल गए. Okay, now you just have to substitute the values of R and H in the formulas. Okay, so I can write total surface area of capsule will be 2 into 2 pi R square plus 2 pi R H. 2 into 2 pi, we will take it as 22 by 7 into R. R of hemisphere is 2.5 the whole square plus 2, or we can take this as common part, that will be easier for us to solve. Okay, 2 pi R हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं, 2 pi R कॉमन ले लिया तो यहाँ पे 2R प्लस H इस तरह मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो 2 इंटू 22 बाई 7 इंटू 2.5 इंटू 2R मतलब 5 हो गया, 5 प्लस H मीन्स 9. ओके, सो 5 प्लस 9 विल बिकम इक्वल टू 14, दैट इज 2 इंटू 22 बाई 7 इंटू 25 बाई 10 इंटू 14, 9 10 14 हो जाएगा. 7 1 जा 7 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 5 सा 5 1 जा 5 5 सा. ठीक है, तो 5 2 सा 10, 10 इंटू 22 विल बी इक्वल टू 220 mm square, millimeter square. Okay, so this is the total surface area of the capsule. So these are the few questions we have seen. Similar kind of questions are there, 7, 8 and 9. You can solve it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, you can just send the notification and it will be solved. So this is how we will solve question number 6, and rest of the questions you can do it for your homework. Same type of questions. Okay, thank you.